Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear, this is the Forex chart of Euro USD. And as we all know it very well that the fall on Euro USD is still going on and there is no stopping to it. If you look at the chart of US dollar index or DXY, we can clearly see that DXY is positive. DXY is extremely bullish for the last couple of days and we are witnessing a good amount of recovery on dollar. DXY closed at 104.22, and if you look at the chart, then you can clearly see that we do not have any major resistance on the chart of DXY right now. The next resistance on the chart of DXY is around 105.70 to 105.90. So till this level you can definitely consider DXY to remain bullish, which means that there is a further possibility of fall on the chart of Euro USD. So if the recovery on dollar continues till 105.7090, then obviously Euro USD will show further downside. So let's wait and watch how the market reacts and opens on Monday. So now let's talk about Euro USD. So we can clearly see the market is in downturn, but still we can see that we have a possible falling wedge on the chart as well, and falling wedge is a trend reversal pattern. If you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you made good money out of it when we talked about a possible bounce around the support. So our support level worked perfectly, but as expected the bounce did not last, and we can see that the selling pressure is still very much there in the market. So the opening for Euro USD will be very important. If market tries to recover right after the market opening, if market tries to recover right after the market opening, then you need to wait for Euro USD to cross 1.0760. If market breaks this level here, then you can consider that okay, finally the time has come where we can see some recovery on the chart of Euro USD, because Euro USD is right now standing at a very crucial support with a falling wedge pattern. So there is a possibility that Euro USD may show some recovery. So if Euro USD breaks this level here, you can hope for a recovery on the chart of Euro USD. But after the market opening, if you see that selling pressure is continuing, the sellers are still dominating the market, then obviously our wedge pattern will not work here and you will see further downside, and in that case you can go for a sell position. You can go for a sell position below 1.0700 on Monday. If you're only holding a sell position on the chart of Euro USD, then you can be on the trade, no need to exit, because further downside is possible, very much possible. But if you're holding a buy position on the chart of Euro USD, then you must be very careful. If our wedge pattern fails, if our falling wedge pattern fails, then obviously things will be very critical and you should better exit. And in case Euro USD breaks 1.0700, as I said, further downside is possible. You can look for a sell position. If you look at the chart prime here, then you can see that I'm on a 15 minutes time frame, and these are the signals generated by chart prime. You can see that possible reversal down means sell position was there, possible reversal up, this signal did not work properly, but more or less you can see that signals generated by the chart prime in last week more or less worked very nicely. At least you could have expected 15 to 20 pips on from the signals of on the 15 minutes time frame. And if you have a good knowledge of divergence, if you're familiar with divergence, then obviously the oscillator will be an added advantage. Those who don't know about chart prime is a custom indicator for traders like you, traders like me, and this tool is extremely awesome, because apart from generating signals on the chart, they also have multiple custom indicators that really helps us. You can see that they have a Market Oracle Pro, Market Dynamics Pro, Prime Oscillator, and many others. And the multiple time frame support resistance also makes your job quite easier. If you are looking for something that will make your journey easier, then Chartprep can be the solution. You can also visit their tutorial section to find out how the tools work, and they also have shared many strategies, okay, with the help of which you can identify, understand how does the tool will work. Okay, feel free to check them out. The link is in the description. Hopefully you'll not be disappointed. They also have an awesome community on Discord. Okay, so you can also join their Discord community to find them out. So the link is in the description. Don't forget to check them out. So as I was saying, that if market breaks 1.0700 further downside possible, and you can look for a sell position. And if you're wondering about the best support levels on the chart of Euro USD, then sadly we do not have any strong support or immediate support on the chart right now. The next support is around 1.0618 or around this level. You can expect a minor bounce. The strongest support on the chart of Euro USD is around 1.0500, and this level is quite far away, around 200 to 260 pips. You can see that there is a huge gap. Okay, there's a huge gap between the current market price and the next immediate support here. Next immediate support is around 1.0518 or 1.0520 to 1.0500. But this support is quite far away, so as a result this level is not important for us right now as day traders. But yes, further downside is very much possible, and if market breaks this level here, we can definitely look for sell position. And if you're a day trader, you can also take the help of Chartprep. It's a paid indicator, but obviously very useful. So let's see how the market reacts on Monday. And as I said, the market opening will be very, very important, because market closed at the very crucial support of 1.0713 level. So if after the market opening, if Euro USD tries to recover, and for a good recovery, it will have to cross 1.0760 level. Then only we can consider it as a recovery. But if the selling pressure continues and Euro USD falls below 1.0700, then obviously it is better to look for sell positions only, because we can clearly see on the chart that we do not have any big support. The next support is around 1.061820 level, which is quite far away, and that support level is also not very strong. The strongest support on the chart of Euro USD is far away right now, which is around 1.0500. So obviously, as a trader, whether you're a day trader or a swing trader, your trading opportunities are on the sell side only, because of the present market condition. If the market sentiment changes during the weekend or by Monday, okay, then obviously it should work, and then we can look for some buy position. But right now the market is under the dominance of sellers, and we cannot deny that. I'm not predicting the market for the next couple of weeks and months, because I do not have the knowledge and information to do that. I'm a hardcore day trader, so from the perspective of a day trader, I have just shared my view. Hopefully you got my point, and please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. My analysis can be wrong as well, because I'm also a trader like you. No trader is 100% accurate, so do not compromise with risk management. Follow risk management. Bye bye, take care, and enjoy the weekend. Have fun with your family.